In the present world, bank is the most important financial institution in the economic development of a country. This development financial institution provides a range of specialized financial products and services. It is with aim to suit the specific needs of the targeted strategic sectors. So today, we'll be discussing on one of the DFI in Malaysia that is known as BPMB or Bank Pembangunan Malaysia Berhad. First and foremost, the introduction of BPMB. Bank Pembangunan Malaysia Berhad, or simply known as Bank Pembangunan, is a development bank in Malaysia. It was incorporated on 28 November 1973 as a development institution that is aimed to help the little and medium-sized entrepreneur. BPMB is mandated to supply finance to the nation's abounding infrastructure, maritime, oil and gas, technology sectors, and many more. BPMB are entirely owned by the Malaysian government through the Minister of Finance Opposition, and it is bound by its vision and mission, which is stated on the slide. They want to become the Malaysia's leading developmental partner and also give impactful delivery with strategic outcomes. Moving on to the objective of BPMB. So it can be said that setting on objective are important, especially to the banking institution. And same goes to BPMB, which I've mentioned before. BPMB is established with the main objective of helping the Bumiputra entrepreneurs. So their focus are not only the small-sized entrepreneurs, but somehow they are willing to focus on the medium-sized entrepreneurs too. And if we have a slight look on its vision, which BPMB are aimed to become Malaysia's leading developmental partner. So in order to achieve that vision, they identify the 4 core values as stated on the slide. I am worthy of your trust. I will speak and seek the truth. I will seek knowledge to remain relevant. And last one, I will not let you down. Next, BPMB are also aimed in providing a variety of financing options, and some of the types of financing facilities that are provided by BPMB are leasing, fixed asset, trade facilities, industrial hire purchase, and many more. Last but not least, in addition to providing direct funding, BPMB assists the growth of Malaysia's important economic sector through 2 things, that is its subsidiaries and also the affiliates companies.
Next, sources of BPMB's fund. Referring to the pie chart, I could sum up that most of funds are collected through the redeemable note, which comprises almost 37% of the whole pie chart. It is estimated on BPMB's annual report 2020 they collected almost 8.2 billion ringgit measure of funds compared to 2019, which they only managed to collect around 7.3 billion ringgit measure. However, looking on another sources of funds, which is long-term borrowing, BPMB managed to accumulate around only 0.5 billion, but in 2019 they managed to get larger amount, in which is 2.2 billion ringgit measure. They also have another source of funds such as shareholder funds and many more. The uses of funds based on the chairman, Datuk Sri Nazir Razak Said, the funds are mostly used by BPMB to support the economic recovery and also help businesses. In this case, BPMB offers 5 financing schemes totaling around 5.6 billion ringgit measure, and it is namely digitalization, sustainability, maritime and logistics, tourism and public transportation.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Nazifah Husna binti Muhammad Tarmizi, and my metric number is 058586. So today I would like to talk about the importance of BPMB to its financial sector. BPMB's long-term development has established it as one of the strongest bank sectors operating in Malaysia. In accordance to that, some of the importance of BPMB's establishment can be said that it helped in assist entrepreneurs. but somehow BPMB are also important with the distribution of funding. In December 1998, BPMB achieved yet another milestone by providing funding for infrastructure projects, especially those supported by the government. Even until today, BPMB still provide medium to long-term financing to strategic sector such as infrastructure, maritime, oil and gas and technology sectors. Bank Pembangunan Malaysia Berhad will provide 2% financing to companies that are continuously contributing to the 17 Sustainable Development Goals or SDG. This is part of efforts for Malaysia to achieve all the SDGs by 2030. Bank Pembangunan Malaysia Berhad also continued their project to cooperate with 2 Chinese banks in 2020. It is important since they stated that the collaboration was to facilitate cooperation in a financing strategy project in Malaysia. Bank is the most important financial institution in the economic development of a country. Even today, modern banks are not only providing traditional banking but also expanding to many financial services. So I could sum up that the establishment of BPMB exposed us to bunch of long-term dominance, but somehow many people didn't recognize that.